Hey everyone, buenos dias. Connor here, the business development manager with Ocean Builders. Super excited to bring you some updates for our unmanned autonomous aerial drones service for the SeaPods, where we're going to be deploying them in 2022. And so what we're showing here is just a couple of examples of the progress that we're making with these UAVs. This is one company called Heaven that we're in talks with, but also kind of leveraging one of their models as a reference for what our Ocean Builders drone delivery is going to look like. So it is a hexacopter, has the potential of carrying kind of a multitude of different payloads, everywhere from 10 kilograms to 45 kilograms, up to 120 kilograms. So you have a few different use cases there, all the way from your pizza to your medicine to potential emergency uses. So we're very excited about exploring this option. And then here's a good example of what it's going to look like on a consumer facing end. When you do have your own SeaPod or you're renting out, you've purchased one and you want to order some pizza or you need to order some medicine to your SeaPod, it'll look very similar to this, whereas instead of dropping off to your backyard, it's going to drop it off right into your SeaPod, so you're never going to have to leave it. And what we'll be providing is a really neat, very user-friendly, consumer-facing mobile application and web application that'll help assist in the different ordering for whatever it is you need to have delivered. And then jumping over here is just a kind of an example, a reference for what the autonomous charging ports are going to look like. So you won't ever have to worry about plugging your drone in. It's just going to return back to its landing port where it needs to go, charge itself up. And then when you're ready to deploy it again for whatever use case you need it for, again, medicine, food, emergency use, it'll go ahead and it'll climb out of its autonomous charging port, fully charged, and be able to take care of whatever it is you need. So that's all our update for this week for our UAV. We're really excited to take the next steps in it, and be sure to keep checking out our wiki for any more updates on it. And if you're a drone engineer or a software engineer, please don't ever hesitate to reach out if you're interested in any of these projects and want to get involved. Thanks so much.